I don't know how
It's
long
so
it's been there
cute.
and what's been down there.
My bird's not afraid of my dog. He comes up all the way to the edge. My bird's weird. He's afraid of people, but he's not afraid of dogs. Get him, Bill.
Look at this mess.
We're supposed to put a shower there, a clawfoot tub there, a toilet there, and
Okay.
2 sinks.
I don't know what Jonathan's gonna
It's
do.
so funny.
I know we discussed this already when we were up in the attic. We looked around, there was actually
Yeah.
this is what most of the insulation up in the attic is, and that's a fire hazard. When I went up there with full light to see everything,
Just say I
there's
can't.
a fire up there. The entire roof structure is completely charred. Everything looks good. It actually looks pretty bad.
I just feel like every time we see him, there's more bad news.
So what do you guys think so far?
Oh, I really
No, I'm watching my dog and my bird fight.
Oh yeah, I like it. Just the frosting. It makes this sort of a feature wall of cabinets. But we do have a couple more decisions we need you to make. You're not very important. You can either go with something very modern.
My dog keeps licking her lips.
Either way will give you a completely different look.
Yeah, that's not too awkward to grab. The first one that I picked, I was trying to get my fingers in there.
Generally, we're not grabbing the door to open it up like that. Just grab it with
Sorry,
your fingers.
this is
It doesn't have to be. It doesn't have to be a stick or something like that.
It's ordinarily get the fingers in these ones.
I do not want you hanging off the cabinetry.
I can just see Jose swinging.
No, because the way that my dog jumps back.
The ones that you like the most. This is more of a modern feel, but I don't think that that's going to blend very well with sort of a tan color.
My bird's like arguing with my dog.
I think that something that's a little bit more traditional.
One I like and one you like. Now, who
I'm putting this on YouTube for sure. It's gonna be called Dog versus Budgie.
No way, Jose.
I win again.
Yeah,
I
I will.
You won this time, I guess.
Always win.
It can really add up fast because they agreed with me and chose the handle I selected with a little over $200.
One moment.
Had they gone with that modern one, the
Let me
Contour
finish
they wanted,
reading.
they would have been paying well over $600.
He's such a brave bird.
Sink in this bathroom, and I understand why. It would,
You're such a brave
the
bird.
cost is enormous, and
You're such a little silly dog.